I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a custom steering wheel from AZA Auto Wheel. Now, you can pick these up from azaautowheel.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The prices range from $500 to $2,600, depending on which one you get. Now, before I get started, let me just show you AZA Auto Wheel's Instagram page so you can get an idea of some of the products that they have. All right, so it's AZA Auto Wheel. Now, I got a BMW. They really focus on BMW wheels, but they do have others, and I'm going to show you in a second. So check this out. This is pretty sick. Now, this one is Alcantara, top and bottom. This is for the i8. Now, this is the one I have in my car right now with the performance LEDs and the gauges. But the problem with mine is it's all Alcantara. I wanted something with carbon fiber. See, this is how the shift light's going to look. With your performance gauges in the middle, LED display, colorful lights, real nice. Here's how it looks in action. Somebody got one that's all Alcantara. Okay. Now, I want to show you something else. Now, if you don't have a BMW, go to AZA Auto Wheel _JDM. So they got all the Honda wheels, Toyotas, Lexus. Look at that one. All kind of crazy designs. All premium materials, carbon fiber, leather, you name it. And you got, this is the regular website. Hold up, I'll show you that in a second. AZA Auto Wheel Domestic. Now here's where you're going to see all the Chevys, all the American cars, GMCs. Oh, look at this one. For the Corvette, that one is sick. They got everything. Now, on a side note, shout out to my man MKBHD. All right, if you're running around driving one of those slow-ass Teslas, they do make a wheel for the Tesla also. All right. Now, here's the website, azaautowheel.com. Now, one thing that I do want to mention, all right, if you order from them, you got to be patient. All right, these are custom wheels. They're made by hand. They're going to take about 4 to 8 weeks from the time you order to get delivered. But it's going to be worth the wait. Hopefully. Let's see. All right, here we go. Now, I'm going to try not to be too hype, but I am pretty hype. Let's go ahead and open this up. One more. Do it from the top. Okay, here we go. azaautowheel.com. Now, I've been waiting for a long time for this one. Okay, here it goes. Let's get and file that. Okay, this is the wheel. Now, this is the hard part. Getting the plastic off. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and speed this up. All right, so I just took off all the plastic. The packing was excellent. I'm holding the wheel in my hand right now. And I got to tell y'all, my mind is blown. Y'all ready to see this? Now, keep this in mind. My favorite color is red, and y'all know I'm all about carbon fiber. Bang! Look at this wheel. All right, let that sink in for a second. Shout out to AZA Auto Wheel. I had my doubts. But, bro, this might be the best looking wheel I've seen yet. On the bottom, you got the M logo. Now, I went with the flat bottom, all carbon fiber. We got perforated leather on the sides. On the top, we got the M stripes. And of course, this one has the LEDs with the display. M stripes on the bottom, on the top too. Let's see from the back. Ooh, the M stripe goes all the way around. All carbon fiber. This is sick. All right, this is so sick. Let me do the smell test on this one real quick. This one smells like race car. All right, y'all know I'm all about that race car life. Carbon fiber all inside the middle. Now, it does come with all the wires and the harnesses. So I'm going to go install this right now. But let this sink in one more time. Look at this. Now, I'll show y'all the wheel that I have right now. It pretty much looks the same, but the wheel in my car doesn't have the flat bottom, and it's all Alcantara. Now, Alcantara is a dope material, but it's hard to keep clean, and it's hard to keep nice. So you can't jump in the car with your hands wet, or if your hands are sweaty, you know you're doing some intense driving, you don't want to be gripping an Alcantara wheel. So now I got perforated leather, all right, and carbon fiber all the way around. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll show you what the old wheel looks like on the old car, and I'll show you what this one looks like on the remodeled car. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so here's how the old wheel looks. Now this one is all Alcantara. We still got the LEDs and the gauges. M color stitching. A little carbon fiber. M logo on the bottom. But it's all Alcantara. This is not my favorite material that I want to have in my hands when I'm racing. So the new one should feel a lot better. Let's see if we can see those LEDs real quick. All right, look at that. All right, let's drop the new one in. All right, so here's how it looks fully installed. I am loving this one. Got a lot more grip. Now the Alcantara, that was more of a luxury feel. This one has that race car feel to it. Here's your M logo. M stitching. Your LEDs with the gauges. Now you have a button right here you can cycle through. There's a lot of different things to play with on this one. And let me show you how it looks when you rev it. And just in case y'all want to hear that sound, let me open the door. Do it one more time. keep it moving. All right, so like I was saying, there's a lot of settings that you can change. You can have the shift lights activate really whenever you want. Still a little cruise though. Trying to focus on the lights. All right, here we go. Looks sick though. All right, let me drop into Sport Plus, also known as M mode. See the stripes? Woo! I'm too hyped right now. Let me calm down before I crash. All right, here we go. See, I'm used to holding the Alcantara wheel like this because I wanted to keep it clean. Now I can start driving the way I normally like to drive and grip it tight from right here. I'm trying not to go too crazy. Cops do be out here. I'll punch you one more time though. Now, of course, if you're just cruising, then you ain't gonna see too many lights, and you might like it that way. All right, let me wrap this up. All right, so one last thing. Now, to all my real gearheads out there, if y'all heard a little bit of turbo lag, check this out. I forgot to put meth in the tank. So right now I'm just running on straight gas. But when she's fully loaded, I'm ready to see all y'all cats with them Teslas, them Hondas, them Mercedes, Audis, whatever you got. When you see me on the highway, I'll be ready. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, this performance steering wheel is a major, 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 major go. And if you're new to my channel, that's a quad major. That's the highest ranking I give. This is incredible. Okay? Look at the stitching on the inside of the perforated leather. It's the M color stitching. This is insane. All right, this is insane. This one ran me $2,600, but worth every penny. All right, worth every penny. Now, I can't stress this enough. If you order from AZA Auto Wheel, be patient with the shipping. All right, this is a handmade product. It's going to take a long time, but look at the finished work. Look at this. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.